Ooh. Well, everybody, we're installing this car lift here. Found out not only that the bottom of the pads are not flat, but if you look, I'll line the camera up so it's just right about there. Now look up. You can see how it's twisted at the top. It's all twisting at the top. This thing's tweaked not only at the pads where they welded it up and it warped the pads, but also the top part is all tweaked out, and you can see how it goes. So this one is pretty tweaked. The other one we're just about to install. We grinded on the ground, which you saw that short little video clip, but you can kind of see where we had to grind on the ground to get it so it's flat. Instead of using the shims, we did it this way. But this one's not as bad. It's a little tweaked, but not as bad as the other one, which is kind of hard to do to see.
Look at that bar on it.
Yeah.
You can see the bend in it too.
Yeah. So I got this brand new from Best Buy Auto Equipment, and sorry about that, I had to pause it. But anyways, as you can see, this thing was a little tweaked as well. I didn't know what was going on, just saw it was tweaked, and I called up the company, told them, hey, the pads are not flat, that we had to, they're warped, and we needed shims or grind the concrete. So we grinded the concrete because it'd be a lot easier. If I fought with that company for about 6-8 months or so, and they're like, oh no, you installed it wrong. And I'm like, well, how did I install it? These weren't even, one was laying down on the ground, which was this one here. This one was laying on the ground, and this one we just barely stood up, and that's when we found out that it was the pad was warped. It wasn't even bolted in. There was nothing to show that was installed. Just stood there. So it stood for another about 6-8 more months afterwards. But as you can tell, all this stuff is all brand new. Never been, well, not brand new, but all new, never been used. Not even connected, no fluid in it. The cables and everything, the hydraulic lines are all still rolled up. You know, everything's still over there. But they insist that it was already installed and we installed it wrong. So we just need to take some videos to prove that it's not. Hey Mo, do you mind shaking this thing so you can see how out of round that pad is? Can you just shake it?
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Just shake it so there you go. See how bad it is. That's how badly warped it is. Alright, thanks. But we'll send you some more videos. We're just going to install it anyways, because they're not going to warranty it. So, yep. We'll just do what we can do. But as you can see, look at this. Way warped at the top. Just tweaked. Nothing we can do. They won't warranty it. I've been fighting them for at least 6 to 8 months, and I bought it from Best Buy Auto Equipment online. Paid $2,500 for it. It's a 11,000 pound lift, and yeah, won't work. It's all tweaked.